Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya u antor news. Kublay pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Kakong Ida Shisha Nongrang Director General of Police Jongka Jilla kalashim mi kasalute hadin kajing pendep ya kajing jinghikai hasopian. Kakong Nongrang haba ai jing pren kala ongru ba ki pulit ki don ka kamram ka bakhya na kabentaban pen ya ka suk shong san hapo ka jilla. Ka Fourth Meghalaya Police Battalion Headquarter Kabadan Hasopian ha kala sngi ublay kala pelong ya ka passing out parade ya ki arspa khat wengut ki pulit ki bala pendep ya ka jing jinghikai pentebin. Uba la ka doors im commandant jong ka battalion ulo ongru ba ka kinhun jong ki tegi pulit ki blas dang ya ka jinghikai pentebin nadu ubnai naitung arhajar arpulai kalong ha ki babun ki benta ba jong ka jing trekam ki pulit kum ka jing pendan kam ya ki tiar yale banyada ya ka jilla bat ki paidbah ki pulit kiladep jinghikai ru ha ka bayadei ber ki an ki kanun kum ha ka ba pentrekam ya ka CRPC IPC Pokso bat ki an ki ba ka sorkar kadang shupin mi ban pentrekam habaro kari.
When I was making my way this morning to come to the battalion headquarters, the weather took me back 31 years, a little bit over 31 years, when I had my passing out parade. Now this is in Hyderabad, the place where you least expected any rain. There was a cyclone that morning, and my batch that is, was the one and only batch that has so far had to have the passing out parade in the auditorium. So the 8th batch here today in Sofian, I have a special connect with you. It was raining a little bit harder than this when the decision was taken that we will go ahead and have the passing out parade in the auditorium. I was so glad that I reached the battalion headquarters and your commandant informed me that the boys have been spoken to and they all said we will go ahead come what may. It is actually a very fitting example of how we as we join the Meghalaya Police have to do our duty come what may. The call of duty is always there. The circumstances might not be the most pleasant. We would have loved if this had been a glorious sunny day. But the rain has also added to the fact that it has made that much more easier to stand and hear and listen to all that is happening around you. But I welcome you to join the Meghalaya Police as full-fledged members of the Meghalaya Police today. The commandant in his report had mentioned that various inputs have been given to you, activities were planned out, and I'm glad to hear that you have not only participated in activities, but you have given back to the training center and battalion headquarters in what you have contributed in the way of water preservation and conserving water. Water, as we know, we might not feel it now because of all the rain that we've been having for the last few weeks. But water is a very precious commodity, and unless we learn to conserve, preserve, and use it judiciously, we will well be heading to a time when we will not be having that luxury. You, as new members of the Meghalaya Police, will be called upon to do a lot of things which might not have been part of your training curriculum.
Training the constables and followers of different police units in the 4th BNMLP Armed Police Training Center, Sofian, Western Sales District. Today, the 1st of July 2024. The Honorable Director General of Police of Meghalaya, Srimati Ida Shisha Nongrang, IPS. Ladies and gentlemen, as the Nishantuli makes its way out, we shall again stand as the national anthem is being also played. Ladies and gentlemen, the Dikshan Parade is led by Parade Commander, Recruit Constable, Tajoddin Nomlan of Rimphoi District Executive Force. And the Parade 2IC is Recruit Constable Kartik Dhar of West Khasi Hills District Executive Force. The platoon commander of platoon number 1 is Recruit Constable Krishan Borlang Pasayumoy of West Khasi Hills District Executive Force. Let us all clap for them, make them happy today.
And refresher courses successfully in spite of the lack of infrastructure and other logistical requirements. We are also conducting the 9th batch of basic training presently for recruit constables and followers. Overall, the APTC has trained over 2,000 trainees from different police units and organizations till date. We do hope that with the support and encouragement of the department and the government, we would one day have a full-fledged, recognized police training center. This matter of recognition with the government at the earliest. The 193 recruit constables and 18 followers, a total of 211 trainees, joined the battalion on 30th July 2023 and have undergone 11 months of basic training. In between, they were also exposed to law and order duties and election duties recently. During the period of basic course, they were imparted training in both aspects. The outdoor subjects covered a wide range of training techniques, physical training, drill with arms, handling of modern sophisticated weapons, and other standard weapons used by the Meghalaya police. Drill and handling of riot, including tear smoke, riot grenades, which are a very essential part in dealing with law and order situations in the event of outbreak of riot and similar disturbances. So classes, they were imparted training.
Best trainee in weapons handling is Recruit Constable Prodium Rabha of West Khasi Hills District Executive Force, RCP Rabha. Best trainee in endurance is Recruit Constable Shining Star Marwing of Rimphoi District Executive Force, RCS Marwing. Best trainee in outdoor is Recruit Constable Prizer R. Marak of South Garo Hills District Executive Force, RCPR Marak. Best trainee in indoor is Recruit Constable Wante Lang Karkomor of East Khas Hills District Executive Force, RCW Karkomor. All-round best training is Recruit Constable Kentiu Biang Harhujon of West Garo Hills District Executive Force, RCK Harhujon. Best follower in drill is Recruit Follower Albert Money of South Garo Hills District Executive Force, Follower A. Money.